awesome people. This is Marsha, Lynn, Hudson, your social media and digital strategist. Now, if this is your first time meeting me, welcome. We give tips and tools and resources and best practices on this channel to help you build and brand and grow your business online. So I hope you will subscribe and give us a like. Hit that notification bell below, and every time we do a video, you will get notified. So today I want to share with you what I've been learning about the successful sales funnel, okay? And if you know me and you've been following my videos, I always share what I'm learning, what has worked well for me, what I failed at, what I've excelled at. But I've been on the successful sales funnel trail. So guys, there is a sales funnel that is successful for us as business owners, entrepreneurs, those of us who wear many hats. And what I've been teaching to my clients is, what I found is there are 4 parts to that sales funnel. So the funnel starts up here and the funnel ends down here. Now the good thing is you go through the funnel, and when you get to the end, that's where you get your paying customers. But you have to start at the beginning of the funnel. You can't start at the end of the funnel trying to get the paid customers. So let me tell you about my experience with the sales funnel. So with the sales funnel, we start at the top of the funnel, and that is where you create awareness about your business, okay? That's the first part of the funnel. It's not about selling, all right? So the first part of the funnel is to create awareness about your business. And how do you do that? Your website, your social media presence, maybe email marketing, podcasting, blogging, but you want to create visibility online. That's the first part of the sales funnel. So now you're creating this visibility, creating awareness about your company. Now you start moving through the funnel. The second part of the funnel is you start creating valuable content, okay? So now you're posting to your social media sites, you're posting to maybe your Facebook or your LinkedIn or your Instagram, and it's valuable content. And I talked about in another video the 5 categories for posting. So when you're posting your valuable content, you may post from one of the categories, and one category may be a motivational quote category. One category is about you. People want to do business with people who are human like them, and we all are human. One category may be a teaching category where you give tips, and of course a category is where you showcase your product. So I talk about these 5 categories that you can get your content from. Valuable content that answers questions, that teach people something, entertain people in their struggle. So now you're putting out this valuable content a few days a week. You don't have to be online every day, 2-3 days a week consistently. And now you're creating awareness. You're in the second part of the funnel. The third part of the funnel is you want to nurture and build relationships. So now that people know you, they see the type of content you're putting out there. Now you start liking and commenting and sharing on your followers' posts. And so you're nurturing, you're building relationship. You send out a DM, a direct message to them through LinkedIn, checking on them, seeing how they're doing. You're nurturing these relationships. You're building relationships. And I tell people to pick one day out of the week to nurture and build, like, comment, share on your followers' posts. And so now you're almost at the end of the funnel. Now you're creating what we call the like, know, and trust factor. People are coming to like you, they know you, you're showing up, you're being consistent, they trust you. Now we're at the end of the funnel. Now you can talk about a course that you have to offer, or a product, or a video series, or a book that you've written. And now people are more apt to purchase your products and services. It works, guys. This funnel works. But if you keep at it and you're consistent, you will see your business grow and grow and grow. But you can't skip any of the steps, okay? That's how the funnel works. You can't show up on social media and just start selling your products every time you post, or trying to get people to buy your products every time you post. It doesn't work like that. At the beginning of the funnel, you create visibility. People are getting to know you. They get to see your business and what you're about. Then you start creating valuable content, and that content answers questions, it solves problems, it ends people's struggles, it teaches, it educates, it entertains. 2 to 3 days a week, you're consistent with that content. Then thoroughly, now you're nurturing and building relationships. People get to like you, they know you, they trust you because you're consistent and you're showing up weekly. And now at the end of the funnel, you get paying customers to open up their pocketbooks and start purchasing your products and services because you've gone through the funnel. So I hope that this information has helped you. You took some notes on it, and this is how you go through your funnel, because the sales funnel can be a successful funnel that leads to building your client base, building your customer base, and building that bank account. So guys, until next time, I'm Marsha Lynn Hudson, your social media and digital strategist. Join me in saying yes to branding success.